Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you this simple hydrating makeup look if you guys have dry skin. I'm going to be giving you guys tips and pointers, what products I use to keep my skin feeling hydrated all day, especially in the winter where your skin could lose a lot of its moisture. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now I've already done my eyebrows prior to turning on the camera, so if you guys like to see a more in-depth of how I do my eyebrows, I'll leave a little card of that right here. Before I start putting on my makeup, I always like to moisturize my face since it is feeling a little dry. So what I usually do first is put some petroleum jelly or Vaseline, like this much on my hand like this. And then I also use my Eucerin daily, especially in the winter time because my skin likes to get really dry. And I'll take about this much. And now that both are on my hand, I'm gonna mix the two and put it all over my face. Now if you have dry skin, I definitely recommend that you guys do this before you do your makeup. Mix in the petroleum jelly and the lotion. It just helps everything stay moisturized. I never have flaking on my skin or anything like that. And your face will look a teeny bit oily once you put it on, but after you do your face and everything, it'll matte down. And when my skin is feeling dry, what I use for my foundation instead of using regular foundation is a tinted moisturizer. This is a Maybelline Dream Pure BB cream in deep, and this is good for acne. It's good, it helps clear up blemishes, allows the skin to heal, it conceals and hydrates your skin. So I do use this in the winter time mostly, just to keep my skin from feeling dry throughout the day and just keep it moisturized and healthy. And it's always good to use a damp beauty blender because it's gonna hydrate your skin. So I'm just gonna put some on, like about that much, and I'm just gonna pat it all over my face. I'm just gonna blend it out. And you'll notice when you put Vaseline on your face before you do your makeup in the winter, it kind of acts like a primer too. Like after you put it on and then put on your makeup, you'll feel it staying on your face a little better, and it just makes your skin feel really soft. Now this BB cream is not full coverage, so if you want it to have a little more coverage, all you'll have to do is just pat a little more on and build it up. And you can see already that this is making my skin look very hydrated without looking too oily. And after that, the BB cream is usually all I put on my face as far as foundation goes. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toast, and I'm only going to use that under my eyes to get rid of my bags. And this concealer is great if your skin is dry because it's very thick, so it'll cover a lot of surface area and give you a lot of coverage. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my nose for a little bit of a highlight. And when you're blending this out under your eyes, always start from the edges and work your way inward. Because if you start doing it from here, you might, when you start from inward and go outward, you might end up putting on more product on the sides than you might have meant to. And that's going to make it harder to blend the edges out. Now that that's blended out, I'm going to take my Maybelline Shine Free Loose Powder. And I love this powder when my skin is feeling dry because powders can sometimes leave your skin a little flaky, especially when it's dry. It can make your skin look drier, and this powder does not do that at all. It sets everything and makes your skin look matte but not flaky and dry. So I love that about it. So I'm just going to take this much and put it under my eye. And I'm gonna leave this under my eyes for a little bit. I'm gonna take my favorite nude palette by Maybelline, the Nudes palette, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of shimmer on my eyelids. I'm gonna take this color right here, this kind of brown gold color, and I'm not gonna use a brush. I'm just gonna take it with my fingers and put it over my eyelid. Now instead of wiping it away, I'm just going to take my same beauty blender and just blend out the edges. Now for my lips, I'm just going to be taking this mauve pink lip liner and kind of a similar color liquid lipstick and put that over my lips. And now to finish it off, I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara only on my bottom lashes. And never forget to set your face so nothing goes anywhere. And that is it for this simple and hydrating makeup tutorial for the winter. I hope my tips were helpful to you guys. This is great if you guys have dry skin and you just want a fresh makeup look to do every day that's not going to leave your skin feeling flaky and dead throughout the day. So if you like videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys soon.